Good day to the school, teachers, students, and everyone alike. This is Justina, your sub-teacher, and today's session is on math. The most beautiful, exciting, riveting, seat-grinding subject ever. Jokes aside, it is my duty to guide you through the written plan as well as the visual videos, so each of you know about math, calculations, 3D, 2D, and how to discover the space you occupy and how to contain your energy while you grow. Be patient with me while I share my screen. Awkward silence. Okay, welcome to the amazing world of math. This is an icebreaker to do and solve together, just to calm the nerves, get to know each other, and to start your brain function on numbers. Okay, I have a fancy schmancy pen and a piece of paper to doodle on or scribble, chicken scratch. Solve the school code. Use the code below to write the secret message. Okay, 10 plus 3. 13R. 6 plus 6. 12O. 1 plus 1. 2C. 11 plus 3. 14S. 2 plus 1. 3E. E equals MC squared. 7 plus 4. 11N. 3 plus 1. 4D. 4 plus 4. 8K. 19 plus 0. 19A. 6 plus 1, 7I. 3 plus 2, 5G. Okay. It's figure out the code. 13R E 19A 4D 7I 11N 5G. Readings 13R 12 O 2 C 8 or 8 14. Oh my gosh, reading rocks. Thank you for being witness and participating in this with me. Moving on. 2D shapes, flat. such as the Earth. No, sorry, the Earth is not flat. The Earth is spherical. 2D shapes, flat shapes. Most of them simple to recognize. Square, circle, oval, pentagon, parallelogram, hexagon, nonagon, star. And this is the sides and corners. Okay, so counting the triangle, for example, how many sides does the triangle have? 1, 2, 3. You would write 3, number of corners, 1, 2, 3, and fill out the entire sheet for each of the questions and each of the shape you see the picture of. And don't forget, you have, each of you have your own origami 3D piece of shape on your desk. So it is yours to manipulate, so to speak, during the class, throughout the class until the end of the session. It will be your job to measure the sides, the angles, the face, the corners, calculate the surface area as well as the volume. And with respect to your desk, which you sit at pretty much every day, answer at the end of the session, answer the question, how much space does your 3D shape occupy? (3D shapes). These are more complex and more nice to look at. They are fun to draw. And if any of you are fans of art or nifty with pencils or pens and like to do fine lines, you can explore more therapeutic, geometrical, mandala type art. Coloring books are always appreciated. And you would never get tired of receiving compliments about mathematical geometrical art. Rectangular prism, rectangular triangular prism, prism, not prison. Tetrahedron, hexagonal prism, pentagonal prism, icosahedron, cone, cylinder, sphere, cube. Okay, and expected to do the same, fill out the names, the faces, the edges, the vertices. What is surface area? The space occupied by a two-dimensional flat surface is called the area. It is measured in square units. Two-dimensional figures like square, circle, rectangle, triangle, etc., can be measured only on the area covered by these figures. Match the shapes with their names. No hints, no cheating. The area of the plane shapes. Okay, so this is math. Now the formula is given. It's written on the paper. All you have to do is plug in the numbers, plug in the measurements using your Ruler. I have this tool just because I love tools and the things with sharp pointed end. Don't worry, I'm of no immediate harm to me. And this is the ruler to do your measurements in teeny tiny little fractions of centimeter decimals. What is volume area? Every three-dimensional object occupies some space. Object, things, furniture, equipment, the fridge. This space is measured in terms of its volume. The television. Volume is defined as the space occupied within the boundaries of an object in three-dimensional space. It is also known as the capacity of the object. Example, this retainer box. Finding the volume of an object can help us to determine the amount required to fill that object, like the amount of water needed to fill a bottle, an aquarium, or a water tank. 3D shapes, match the names with the pictures. Geometry guide. Space, volume, and surface area of 3D shapes. Okay, and these are practice worksheets, surface area and volume questions, which you are expected to fill out and complete by the end of this course. Volume practice sheet, area worksheet. And now I will finish off this session by sharing a reputable academic website. These retired teachers or presently working teachers tutor students either on lunch break, before school, after school, on the holiday breaks, during the summer season, to make sure that they are catching up on their grades and making up to par on their academic goals. Thank you for joining me on this mathematical journey. I hope it wasn't as boring as I thought it would be. I look forward to graduating this course with you and sharing any information or knowledge I collect and retain in my lifetime, as well as intervening on passion, sensitive periods, and relevant school curriculum. Thank you, and I can't wait to know what happens with the turnout of the course certificate. Take care. Bye-bye.